Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at CVS for the week. I will walk you through each of these deals step by step to make it as simple as possible. I also include clearance pictures at the end of all of my videos. So I will tell you how I got these deals and how I scored a $5 gift card to Starbucks as a result of these items. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here a while, thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. Okay, so the first deal I want to tell you about is a deal that I actually did on Saturday, and I posted about it in my Instagram stories on Saturday. But I'm going to tell you how you can do the deal this week if you still have the $5 snack CRT. So I grabbed these Reese's. Again, this was a Saturday deal, so not good this week. And I scored these both for free because they were buy one, get one free. And I had that $5 snack CRT. But if you still have that CRT in your account, check out these Kit Kats. They are $4.49 plus buy one, get one for $1. So you could get 2 bags for $5.49. If you have that $5 snack CRT that attaches to these, you would pay 49 cents for both of those bags. So great deal there. I didn't do the deal because I had already used my coupon for those buy one, get one free Reese's this weekend. That being said, if y'all aren't following me on Instagram and you like Instagram, check it out at Save with Christina because I will post like time sensitive deals there as well. Okay, so let's talk about food deals first. I realize that I just love food deals. Okay, so Gavalia, I talked about this last week, I believe. I'm talking about it again this week. These are good. I actually really enjoyed them. So they are $5.99 each. Grab 2 of them. I had a $2 off and $8 coffee CRT. So I paid $9.98. But Ibotta's giving back $2 on each of these. So $4 back on Ibotta means the total cost for both of them is $5.98 or just $2.99 each. Now, if you don't use Ibotta and you want to, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. But let's say you don't use Ibotta at all and you're not interested, you can grab the gold emblem coffees at $3.99 each. So then use that same $2 off 8 CRT if you'd rather do that deal, and you can score the exact same price. They would come out to $2.99 per pack of K-Cup. Now, I also grabbed Cheerios because they are on sale $1.99. And with grocery prices the way they are, I am trying to do a lot of grocery deals at Walgreens and CVS because a lot of times their sale prices are cheaper than what I find in my grocery store at a regular price. And I can use my Walgreens cash or my extra care box to pay for my groceries. So that's just a win-win. So let me tell you about this deal here. The Cheerios, and these are the big boxes. So these are 12 ounces. They are $1.99 each. You want to grab 2 of them because there's a digital coupon for $1 off 2. Now, you might have other coupons that attach to these items. I did not. So my best deal was at $1 off 2. So that's $2.98 total for both of them. But I noticed on my Fetch Rewards app that I had an offer for $1 back when you spend $5 on General Mills cereal. And in my Walgreens video, I also bought Cheerios. So this got me to that $5 and I got another $1 back on Fetch Rewards because it tracked, it counted my Walgreens towards that $5 and then it counted this. So I got an additional $1 back, meaning I paid just $1.98 for both of these or at 99 cents each. So great deal there. Couple of things. If you haven't checked out my Walgreens videos, the deals were so fantastic this week. I posted 2 different videos, so you definitely want to check those out. Secondly, if you're not using Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. So that was all the food deals that I did at CVS this week, but there were quite a few food items on clearance, so I have those pictures at the end of the video. Okay, Let's talk about some of the other deals. So the Eucerin and Aquaphor lotions are spend $20, get $10 in extra care bucks back. So I grabbed 2 products, and I could have done this a little bit cheaper. I grabbed this one at $10.99, and then I grabbed this one at $11.79. So to spend $20, clearly I could have just bought 2 of the $10.99 ones. That was the cheapest item at my store. Your store may have cheaper items, but I grabbed 1 of each. Now, I had a CVS coupon for $5 off a $20 lotion purchase, so that applied. I then had a $2 Eucerin digital coupon, and then I printed out a $2 Eucerin printable coupon from coupons.com. So I paid $13.78. I got $10 in extra care bucks back, making it $3.78 for both of them, or just $1.89 each. Now, of course, that would be $1 cheaper had I just gotten 2 of these. But you buy what works for your family because that's what makes sense. I also used my free February beauty gift, which is my first time, honestly, to use that free beauty gift since they've changed up their beauty program. I grabbed this Paparazzi hand sanitizer, originally priced at $2.99. Of course, that free February beauty gift coupon took that full $2.99 off, making this item completely free. Now, there are quite a few razor deals this week. I'm going to tell you the one that I did. The Schick razors are spend $15, get $5 in extra care bucks back. Now, with the coupons I had, this is the deal that I did. I grabbed 1 of the Schick Intuitions priced at $8.99. I grabbed 1 of the Schick Hydros priced at $8.99. So that got me to right around $18. Now, I had a coupon for $5 off a $20 shave purchase, so I grabbed this shave gel priced at $2.99 to get me to that $20. My $5 off a $20 razor purchase came off. Then I had a $4 coupon for this, a $4 coupon for this, both digital coupons. So I paid $7.97. I got $5 in extra care bucks back, making it $2.97 for all 3 items, or just 99 cents each. Great deal there because those are pretty good razors. So clearly there were a lot of good hair care deals, so let me tell you about those. The Garnier Fructis, these are 2 for $7. Now, I had a $3 coupon that I had printed from coupons.com, but apparently I also had a $3 digital coupon clipped because they both applied at checkout, leaving me to pay just $1 for both of them, or 50 cents each. So great deal. The Elvive, so this is an amazing deal. These are 2 for $7 as well. I used 2 of the $2 printable coupons from coupons.com, so 1 applied to each of these. There's also a $2 CVS coupon that applies to these products as well. So that's $6 in coupons on $7 total. That means I paid $1 for these 2, or just 50 cents each. Now, the last deal that I did was the spend $30, get $10 in extra care bucks. So I grabbed 2 of the Head & Shoulders, I grabbed 2 of the herbal essences, and I grabbed 3 of the Pantenes. Each of these were $12. So 2 for $12, 2 for $12, 3 for $12. That's $36 before coupons. So clearly I'm going to get that $10 in extra care bucks back. Now, these are the coupons that I had. I had a $4 off a $25 hair care CRT, so that came off. I had a $5 digital for the Pantene. I had a $4 coupon from the March Procter & Gamble insert for the herbal essences. I had a $3 coupon from that same insert, Procter & Gamble, for the Head & Shoulders. There was a glitch, and the $3 digital coupon also came off for those. I then had a $2 off a $9 Head & Shoulders CRT as well, so a CVS coupon. So that left me to pay $15, getting $10 back. So $5 for all of those products, or just 71 cents per item. So not a bad deal there as well. How did I score that $5 Starbucks gift card? So you want to submit your receipts from CVS and Walgreens to the pggoodeveryday.com program. I will drop a link down below where you can join. Joining is completely free, but you get points for buying the Procter & Gamble products. All of those are Procter & Gamble products. And then you can convert those points to gift cards. So when I went to get my gift card yesterday, I could get Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. I'm trying to remember the other ones, but I got sidetracked by the Starbucks. So that's the one that I redeemed this time. But it was 750 points for that gift card, and this haul got me to that limit. So I got a free $5 gift card to Starbucks. Also, there is an app that I started using. It's not a new app, but it is a new app to me, and I used it for the first time when I was shopping last night, and I got an additional $3.75 back for using that app, and I'm going to tell you all about that app next week in my CVS video because I want to learn all the ins and outs before I share it with you, but I am excited to tell you about that one. So stay tuned for that as well. Hope y'all have a fantastic start to the week. Thanks.